Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am here with another tutorial of newly wedding bride makeover. So let's get started. So first I will apply a gulab gel, then I'm going to apply a concealer on my eyelids for a perfect eyeshadow base. Then I will set it with the help of a beauty blender, as you can see on the video. So it's time for eyeshadow, so I'm taking a brown eye shade. So slowly I will blend it with the help of a beauty blender. Now I will take a concealer and cut a crease with the help of a brush. After this, I will apply a pink shade on the cut crease area. Now I will blend it. So it's time for a shimmer. So here I'm using Swiss Beauty's shimmery shade. I will mention the details in the description box. You can check it out from there. So you can see how flawless it looks, and I'm just loving this look. So it's time for eyeliner. So here I'm using K Beauty's eyeliner. After this I will apply NYKAA's Kajal. So it's kind of a glittery shade. It's in the blue color and kind of glittery. So it's time to prepare your skin. So here I'm using this NYKAA's face serum. So now I will apply it on my entire face with the help of my hands. So now I will do my eyebrows. So it's a good method of doing your eyebrows. So you can see this. And after this I will apply a face primer from L'Oreal Paris, as I always use this face primer, and it gives a flawless face base to your face. And it's time for foundation. So here I'm using Forever 52 foundation, and I will set it with the help of a beauty blender, and this blender is also from NYKAA. So it's time to set the makeup. So here I'm using Maybelline's loose finishing powder. So I will apply it under my eyes, and now I will contour my face. So here I'm using K Beauty's contouring stick. You can see this. So now I will blend it with the help of a blender, as I don't have a blending brush. So after this I will apply the blush from Lakme. So I will apply it on my cheeks. You can see this. So you can see that how pretty it looks. And it's time for a highlighter. So here I'm using Maybelline's highlighter, setting it with the help of a fan brush. So I'm using this lip liner, and after this I will apply Glam 21's lip shade. So now I have applied the lipstick, so it's time to set the makeup. So I'm using this NYX finishing matte spray. So you can see this. So this is the final look of my makeup. So if you love this look, please like, subscribe, comment and share my channel. Thanks for watching.